Lesson 8, Exercise 2. It's going to be in your green book, the Cousins book. And what you're going to do is make an assembly and a drawing of the assembly, and that's it. So when you're in production, what you do is you get your part approved, make sure it's right, and everybody's bought off into the assembly. If the assembly is bought off, then we'll make detailed drawings. So submission 1 will be no detailed drawings. Just this assembly put together and the assembly drawing. The assembly name and drawing names are these. So you have A for assembly, the drawing for the assembly, and then the 2 parts you're going to make. Lesson 3, Exercise 3 will be at this location. So when I go to Lesson 3, Exercise 3, it gives you these coordinates. This bottom left corner right there is going to be your local axis for this part. And then, again, you're not going to submit anything in here. That's why it isn't even published right now. You're going to make the parts. Once the assembly is approved, then this will open up to do a drawing and submit the drawing. And then lesson 3, exercise 5, where will the local axis be for this? So when you go to create this part, and you create this part, you got to figure out where that coordinate's going to be. You have to figure out, do the math to figure out that point coordinate. That's going to identify this coordinate right here. So when you overlay it into the assembly, they should already line up exactly perfect where it goes. By the way, you have to think about this because this corner right here goes to this corner, but it protrudes out. So you have to figure out the math. Where is that axis going to be to locate this? So when you overlay the 2 parts, they automatically go in the correct location. And that is how most production does this. They don't do the contact and move and do any of that other stuff. They just build it where it belongs. So when they overlay the parts, they just land where they go. All right, so this should be a good challenge for you just to see if you can get a good understanding on how to locate things on a local axis system and locate them in the correct position so that when you overlay them, they automatically go in the right position.